Welcome back to another video. This is going to be hopefully a really quick one because I'm actually going to Cornwall tomorrow for the week, and just thought I'd squeeze a little video out. This is one thing I wanted to change for ages. Hopefully you can see that my lights are on, for the reason being that I want to get rid of the orange side light. So that is all the upgrade we're going to be doing today. We're just quickly going to swap that side light so he isn't orange anymore and he's white. I didn't actually pick up on this for a very long time, and someone mentioned it to me like, oh, why is one orange, one white? And oh, it's bugged me ever since. So that is the change that needs to be made today. I know some videos have already been done of this on YouTube. The one I watched, they actually took the bumper off the front. I don't think you actually have to take the bumper off. I'm pretty sure I can get my skinny little hands in the gaps and pull the light out. I know you just have to wiggle it straight away and it should fall out. This one here is going to be a little bit harder than that one, I believe, because you've got less room to play with, but we shall see, we shall see. So we're going to do it. Alright, so it's got dark quite fast. I've turned my little light thing up on my GoPro and hopefully it can capture it better, but these are the bulbs I've got to replace the ones that are hiding in there. Oh, you can't see. Oh, nightmare. Let's get my torch. So at the back of the light, you've got that beauty right there. Yes, good. Induction kit gets right in the way. Pop him off. Safe place. And in there, you can see that one there is the one you need to grab and wiggle, and hopefully you should pop out. That one there is the main. That's the side. So I would like to show you, but I don't think I can. Oh, it actually came off alright, to be fair. There he is. So old against new, hopefully this one that's orange and this one will be lovely and white, and wow, at least a little bit more white than what that orange one was, and make it look a little bit prettier. But literally just swap them over in the socket and you're good. So leave that one out of the way. I don't know if there's a specific way around or not, but only time will tell. Just going to double check he works before we put it away. Hey, look at that, that's what we like. So just find the way back in. Probably should turn it off before I faff with the wires. So there's the comparison. We got the orange one and the white one. He's in there. But that makes a massive difference and is a nice easy change. So I'm just going to do the other one now. This one is going to be a hell of a lot more fiddly, because trying to get to the back of the light, you've got all of this to get to, where is it? That there. See if my hands fit and see if we can get them out, but it will be a little bit harder to grab, but we will see. It saves taking the bumper off. So I've got the cap off that one. And wiggle and pull. And I've got him as well. That's really hard to do this with the camera as well. Can you see it? It's like crippling my hand there. Yeah. And the bulbs from before. Do remember to put your little caps back on, which I'm attempting to do now. It's not easier, hopefully. As you can see, it is pitch black now, with only the moon, but we're going to try it. No orange. Oh, it's even fucked up. And there we are, if it ever adjusts. Two beautifully white headlights. So I'm going to finish this video in the light. Very late, very rushed video, I do apologise, but yeah, just a little headlight upgrade. This really easy. I think it cost me about £3 for these bulbs off eBay, but it just takes away that orange side light and makes it all look a little bit prettier. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you on the next one. Do like, comment and subscribe, and if you haven't done it on your Clio, no matter what sort of, whether it's a sport or not, get it done because it's easy and cheap. Cheers.